We have a monkey head full of Paw Patrol and Sesame Street figures, and we're gonna open them up right now on Red Dough Toys. Come on in. Let's get started. Let's see what we have here. Oh goodness, it's Zuma. Oh my gosh, Zuma is one of my buddy Brit's favorite Paw Patrol guys. Zuma is very cool. Look at this orange helmet. Zuma looks ready for action. So cute. Nice ears, Zuma. Love that one. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh gosh, it's Oscar the Grouch. He looks a lot happier than he does on Sesame Street, doesn't he? He's always such a grump. Let's get him out of here. Oh, I could never open these Sesame Street packages very well. Oh, goodness. Come on out, Oscar. I love his eyebrows. He's so happy. Nice tin can you got there, Oscar. Love him. Okay. Oh goodness, it's Skye. Hi, Skye. One of the nice things about these Paw Patrol figures is that they show you their French name. This is Stella in French. Hi, Stella. Paw Patrol's a Canadian TV show, so they have French names as well. She's so cute. Look, her cute little goggles match my nail polish. Adorable. Let's see. Oh, goodness, it's Rubble. His French name is Ruben. Hi, Rubble. I love his construction hat. He looks like he's ready to go. Maybe one day Rubble will have his own home improvement show. He's so cute. Let's see. What else do we have? Chase! It's Chase! Hi, Chase. He's so cute. I love his hat. Let's get him out. He looks just like a police dog I met when I was little. I met one when we went on a field trip to the police station. You're awesome, Chase. Let's see here. What's next? Oh goodness, it's Elmo. Hi, Elmo. I wish I could do Elmo's voice. Oh, this package. I just cannot get these open very well. Hi, Elmo. He's a happy boy too. So cute. Can't wait to see what's next. Let's see. It's Marshall. His French name is Marcus. Let's get him out of here. He was backwards. Hi, Marshall. You're such a good fire dog. I got to meet a fire dog Dalmatian when I was little too. Let's see who's next. I know who this is. It's Cookie Monster. Cookie. He was my absolute favorite. My goodness, I cannot get this package open. Let's use some scissors. Okay. You're free, Cookie. He was my absolute favorite when I was little. I even had a stuffed doll. You could pull Cookie Monster's string and he would say awesome stuff like, "Monster love Cookie." This one's really different than mine. Mine always seemed really grumpy and hungry. This guy's really smiley. That's all for today, everybody. Thank you for coming. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, why don't you like our video and subscribe to our channel? We'd love to see you again. Have a good day.